What's going on, guys? So it's actually be kind of a funny thing. I bought a camera and I recorded an entire video with it, and then I really wasn't happy with the camera, so I went out and bought another one. So the camera that I bought was a Sony DSCH300, which is essentially just like a point and shoot camera, but like it's like a DSLR body. And I was like, you know, this should be better for pictures, whatever, because I like to take pictures of my car on my Instagram, follow that. But the quality was literally the same as this one that I bought, which I don't know the product name of this, DSCW800. And that was 70 bucks, and the other one was almost 200. And then like the video quality was 720p. It had a decent mic on it, but that was the only thing it had going for it, was that little mic. Yeah, the picture quality was absolutely terrible on it. And then video quality was half decent, but it kept autofocusing like this one did. If you watch my first few videos, this one always autofocused, and it kept doing that, and there's no control over it. So I bought a Canon ELPH360HS. It's another small point and shoot like this one. I could probably show you it, but it's a lot better than what I was using, and it should definitely be better than this one, because this one is 1080p and everything and has all the bells and whistles. Yeah, this was, well, I was recording for a little while. It's the HDR-AS10 Sony, like a little action cam thing. So hopefully this quality is a little bit better. I need to do some panning just to show it off a little bit, take some more pictures, and I'll post all that on there. So I'm just gonna get the day started now. I have to go get some lunch for my girlfriend, drop it off to her, and then I'm gonna do some pictures and shots or whatever for you guys. So for anyone else with the BRC, does anyone else have this problem that their like window goes like this? I don't know if you can hear it. I don't know why my window does that. Sometimes it does it, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know why it does that. So if you guys have any answers for why it does, please leave that in a comment. It is like abnormally warm today, and I don't know why, because like one day it'll be like 30, and then right now it's 69. It's just, this weather's insane sometimes. It just keeps changing so rapidly. It's making me sick, and then I get better, and then I get sick again because it changes again. It's crazy, man. Next time I get a camera, I need to make sure like it has a flip out screen so I know I'm in focus or not. Because I keep making the mistake when buying these freaking cameras. But then again, I'm also buying cameras at Walmart, which probably isn't the best idea either. Yeah, so I got this camera. This camera's about 200 altogether. So far I like it. I mean, it's still a small point and shoot like my other camera was, but this one seems to be a lot better and actually does full HD, because for some reason a lot of cameras don't want to do full HD anymore. I don't understand that. I guess it's like a cost thing. I don't know, as soon as we get 4K in half of our cameras, now all the point and shoots only do 720p, because that makes sense. Every time I'm in this parking lot, there's always other cars here, and I don't really know why. So I'm just gonna give my car like a quick, like, I have like a spray detailer just so it doesn't look too bad. So I'm gonna do that really quick, and then I'll do some like pan sweeping slow-mo things. Yeah, just to show how the camera works and maybe take some pictures here.
by looking through the viewfinder of this camera. That looked a lot better than it usually is. There's no autofocusing issues that I noticed. Hopefully my quality will start getting better with all this. What is this? Damn, my backfire in flames or something. Look how dark that is. Your boy's shooting flames, I guess. Alright, so I took a bunch of pictures. I'm up here now. So far, I'm a lot more pleased with this camera. I mean, I'm gonna I'll put all the pictures on my Instagram. Well, most of them, I guess, just so you guys can see them. The panning looked a lot better. I guess I'll show if we're shooting flames. Don't think we are because we're pretty much running stock pipes, but you never know. Well, I don't think I really have anything else to record today. It's only Wednesday. Usually I record on like Friday, but it's supposed to like pour for the next like week and a half. So I just wanted to get this done while there's still some sunlight with no rain. Right now, I just bought a camera to make quality a little bit better. So mods are gonna have to wait a little bit, sadly. It sucks for me too. Yeah, but this is all I really have for today because, yeah, as I said, it's supposed to be raining. And not really sure if it's gonna be long or not. But thanks for watching, comment, like, subscribe, do all that fun shit, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.